boys today and girls, today we're going to use what we know that we have learned all through chapter 10 to answer these questions. Let's read number 23.
Anthony's family went out to get dinner. They left at the time shown on the clock. They returned home at 5:52 p.m. How long was Anthony's family gone? Explain how you know.
Okay, as you read this, Anthony's family went out to dinner. Do we really have to know that? Or is that important information for us to figure this out? No. Okay, so that's irrelevant. I don't really need it right now. Okay, they left at the time on the clock. Is that important?
Yes.
Yes. What time does it show on the clock, guys?
5:05.
5:05. Now, here's how the first sentence might come into play. It says they went to dinner. So what would this be? 5:05 what? Everyone?
p.m.
PM. Okay. Then it says they returned home at 5:52. On your clock that's on your thing, find 52 and put a nice line where it's 52. This is 5, so then we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 52. Put a nice line where it would be 52. Okay? Put a nice line on the clock where it would be 52. Where the minute hand would be on the 52. Let's jump the minutes till we get to 52. Okay? From the 5 to the 10, that would be 5 minutes. Then 2 to 3 would be another 5, which is 10 minutes. 3 to 4 would be
15.
okay. Then
20.
then
25.
then
30.
then
35.
then
40.
then
45.
okay. Now we got to the 50. So we have 2 more minutes. So 45 plus 1 is 45 plus 1 is
46.
and then one more 1 would be
47.
okay. So how long was the family gone?
47.
47 minutes. Explain how you know. Okay, we use the clock counted by 5 and then 2 and 2 ones. Okay. I used the clock and started at 5:05. I jumped 5 5s and 2 1s to get to 5:52. Now we also could have subtracted. We could have done 5 minus 505. Okay, Mr. Carter's number 24. Oh, sorry. Already number 24. 23. I told you that we could have subtracted also. 2 minus 5. What is that?
Can't do
Can't do it. So you come over here. You make this a 4. Then make this 12. 12 minus 5.
7.
4 minus 0.
4.
Okay. We get the same thing. This will be 0 then. Did we get the same minutes? Yes. 47 minutes. You can always check yourself with that as long as the two times have the same hours. You can do it. Okay? You just have to make sure you put the big time on top. Alright. 24. Mr. Carter's classroom is collecting data about the length of students' shoes. Andrea's shoes measures 5.5 inches. Use a ruler. Draw a line to show the length of her shoe. Explain how you drew it. Now, they have the ruler for you. Okay? Now, don't make this too hard because it's really not that hard, okay? How would you draw the length of her shoe beside that ruler? Eli?
The bottom.
Okay, right. So you measured her shoe. So you know how long it is. But how would you show that on the ruler? Aubrey? Huh? No, it's not a number. It already told you that her shoe is 5.5 inches. You're just drawing a line, guys. You're drawing a line on the ruler to show 5.5 inches. How would you draw it, Edmund?
Like, across the top.
Okay, across the top. But what do you mean?
Like this.
Okay, but where do you start?
At the 0.
That is what they want you to explain. You have to say, I will start at 0. So start at 0. Make a line to 5.5. You do that. Make a line going across to 5.5 now. Yep. I'm going to go around and check your answers. Okay, so they want you to explain how you drew it. You start at 0. You have to say, I started my line at 0. And I went to 5.5. You go past 5, right? And then you go halfway between 5 and what would be 6, right? To show that. So we have to explain that. I started my line at 0. And drew it across past the 5 and stopped between, let's say, halfway between 5 and 6. Okay, we measured everybody in the classroom. There's only 12 people. We did everybody. To the nearest 10. We're going to complete the line plot to show the length of the shoes, and then write a sentence that describes anything in the line plot. Put your rulers down and stop playing with them. where you're not going to touch them. Put them down where you're not going to touch them. Put it down. Why do I have to say this multiple times, third graders? You're recording right now. You want everybody else to know how you do not listen? Okay. All right. We probably would start our line plot at a number that is our smallest number, which is what, guys?
9.
8 and a half.
8 and a half. Let's just start at 8. Okay? So this line is going to be 8. Okay? Then we will have 8 and a half. And then you go to 9. 9 and a half. 10. 10 and a half. 11. And then 11 and a half. You guys are my first class, so I didn't have to add more. Okay. Everybody get that down?
Yes.
Okay, we said the label down here. Oh. Is the shoe length in inches. And we'll just put IN for inches. And yes, I wrote that in print because I can't write it very that small. Okay, we're going to put Bella's shoe size down. Bella, your shoe size was 9. So you need to put an X above the 9. And I'm going to erase them on the board once we say head them. Then we have Xander's, which is
8 and a half.
okay. Then we have Tyson.
10 and a half.
Then we have Cooper.
10 and a half.
Am I going too fast?
No, yes, you're going too fast. Who?
It doesn't really matter who, you just have to put an X.
Okay.
You should be doing it as long as we are. Cooper. Did I do Cooper?
Yes.
Okay. 10 and a half.
No, it's
That's
I already
only
marked
the
it
second.
down.
Yeah, you only marked it down.
I just didn't erase it. Okay. Aubrey.
10.
Jacob.
10.
Savannah.
10.
Eli.
10.
Tegman.
9 and a half.
Am I going too fast?
No.
Allie.
11.
Wyatt.
10.
There's lots of tens.
Shannon Carter.
10 and a half.
Okay. Now, we want you to write a sentence on the big blue line that describes this. You could say 10 size 10-inch shoes or most students have the size 10-inch shoes, or most students have size 10-inch shoes or bigger, or
Most
um,
people have 10 and a half or less. No.
10 and a half or less.
11.
Well, if you did it like that, yeah.
No, but one person
Okay,
has
you make up a sentence, okay? You choose.